How's it going? My name is Alex Pites at Pites Performance Tunes, and we are out here at LS Fest West. We are testing out our new Bravo Lite package we just installed on the shop E-Ray. This has all of our new goodies for the Gen 2 package, all kinds of stuff we can talk about later on. But right now, we're focusing on the racing, focusing on winning this race, or doing as good as we absolutely can. We just got this car done on Wednesday at 2 a.m. and got it right on the trailer, right from the dyno to the trailer. We made 760 all-wheel horsepower. That's like 920 plus at the crank, so to speak, before all your drivetrain loss between the front motor and the rear engine combined with the turbos. That's on 93 octane, 6 pounds of boost, completely unopened motor. So basically, we slapped the turbo kit on there, tuned it, all the electronics, all the things we do, of course, and then here we are. We literally didn't even drive the car on the street until I got here to Vegas and did a couple test trips on the street, and like, okay, now we gotta go to a drag strip. So we did the drags last night, and we're shaking the car down. But so far, we're like second in class in both of the events we've done thus far, and we're gonna see how that goes. But we wanna go out there and do our best and hopefully win this thing. So we'll see, so stick around. All right, so we have finished track cross now. Today we went back there in the morning versus yesterday we were there in the afternoon. Today we had a lot better day at track cross. We actually had to make some adjustments to the car, which, as you guys know, we got this thing done Wednesday morning, 2 a.m., right onto a trailer, right to the track. So we didn't have a whole lot of time to test and tune this thing. So we're using this as our test and tune to some degree as well. So we did adjust the transmission, not the transmission itself, but the torque model, which affects the transmission directly. Made the shifts way better now, and it's shifting really good, really firm, not super firm, but how it should be shifting. And so that really helped give me a little more confidence. We cut off like probably another second on our time from yesterday. So really good, put us 6th overall out of everybody. But it happens to be that the modern class is also the top 6 as well. So we are in 6th in class and 6th overall out of like 95 cars. So I'd say that's a pretty good outing for our first event with the Bravo Lite on it as far as the track cross is concerned. Now we're gonna go to the final round of Autocross, which is a smaller, tighter section track, and hopefully we can get a better time. We didn't do that great yesterday. We're like 18th right now overall in that, in modern class, and probably further down overall because a lot of badass vintage cars in that Autocross. Those guys autocross a lot. But we have some ideas how to pick up time. We're really excited about doing that, and it's gonna be pretty cool. So guys, stick around. We're gonna keep going. Hopefully we're gonna get a strong finish here. And tomorrow we got Speed Stop coming up. Pretty excited about that. So guys, stay tuned. Okay guys, this is the final day of LS Fest West. It's been an awesome time so far. We've got one more event to do. We are really tight in terms of our contention to try to get a podium or even maybe a win. Now we have the 3S Challenge, or what's formerly known as the Speed Stop Challenge. I went out here already, walked the course, checked it out. It looks like it's pretty well in our favor in terms of what the car does really well. Obviously, it accelerates really well, and it definitely brakes really well. These carbon ceramic brakes are by far superior to any other brakes I've ever felt in my life, bone stock right out of the box from GM. They did a phenomenal job with that. And we've added some acceleration with the twin turbos, the Bravo Lite package as well. So all these things are gonna complement, you know, our ability to go out there and try to be competitive and try to get a win in this event. That's really what we're going for. But of course, we love seeing all of our friends and all of our racing family out here. This is a great time. These guys out here, they put on a good show. The FM3 guys, they're awesome. Can't thank them enough for all the things that they do. And the guys at Holly and everybody else for all the good event that they put on. So yeah, guys, we're gonna keep on rocking and let's see how this thing goes. All right, so LS Fest West 2025 is officially in the books. It's officially over. We ended up winning drag out of 95 other cars. We got the fastest car right here, right now. That's a 1055 in the quarter mile. That's on a 200 tread tire. That's with barely any prep. That's with basically taking the car off the trailer, putting it right to the track with no testing, no tuning before that. That's really impressive, guys, and we're only gonna get faster from here. And then we ended up getting 5th overall in speed stop. We got 8th in the autocross and 6th in track cross. Those are overall out of all 95 cars. And again, a very untested vehicle, but we got there. We did a great job. The car ran phenomenal. We didn't have any issues with the car all weekend, so I cannot complain that much. And I could not have done it without my crew here and also the guys at the shop getting the car ready, working their tails off to get it done. And it was a group effort, and we're only gonna get faster from here. We're really happy with where we're at with it, and we're only gonna get faster again. And so there's a lot more coming. We're gonna get more events. We're gonna win. We're gonna get better, faster, stronger, however we can. We really appreciate it, guys. And hopefully you're enjoying this content. And if you haven't already, like us on Facebook, subscribe to us on YouTube, follow us on Instagram, and above all else, guys, stay tuned.